Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're at the drag strip today for the last racing event of the year. It is pretty damn chilly, so the air is going to be the best it's been all year, so at least hoping for some mile an hour. I'm starting off with 16 psi, which is about 2 psi lower than I usually do. I'm running the drag radials, not the slicks, because I bent my studs again on the left rear. Not sure what's up with that. But to avoid any kind of damage, I am running the drag radials, so I'm not expecting any 60-foot records today. So anyways, hopefully we get a good day in, and I'm expecting a few friends to show up as well, so let's have a good day. Well, that was a hell of a scare. This thing did not start. It seems like my fuel pump might be going, and I had a whole bunch of help, so thanks for everybody that helped out to get it started. We'll see if it starts again, go for a pass, and we'll assess the rest of the day. I didn't realize the first passes were 8th mile, which sucks, because I was on a pretty good pass, which was probably about a 1250 something, but it wasn't going to be a personal best. Our good friend Scotty is here. I'm excited to see if he can get a new best. Last time he was out here that I was here was 5300 DA, and now it's just over 1,000, 1,500 or something, so it's way better air. Brass, by the way. So it's looking fine. That's not clogged. So I'm pretty confident that's fine. we just did our third pass. I finally got a run in. We did a 1264 on a 1260 dial-in, because they are doing a bracket deal that if you get close to your dial-in and run good, you will get 500 bucks. I don't think I'm going to win that because my reaction times are terrible, but why not enter it anyways? It's free. So mile an hour is not quite there yet, surprisingly. I thought we'd have a really good day with mile an hour, but we don't. I'm trying not to crash into anybody here. So we'll do another pass and that might be it. So that'll do it for this year's drag racing and all racing, because snow is coming soon. No new best. Was hoping for a better mile an hour today, maybe in the 109s, but just wasn't happening. But my car never really seems to react to better weather, despite the weather being the best I've ever seen it. Just, I don't know, what can I say? I do think the fuel pump's going out on it. Beginning of the day, I'm first in line, track's almost ready, and the car is not starting. There's just no fuel. So we banged up on the bottom of the gas tank, and that seemed to fix it, at least temporarily. But all signs are pointing towards fuel pump, which kind of stinks. Thank you to everybody that helped me out to get it running. Really appreciate it. What a good community. Scotty, he did a 962, so a new best. But it looked like his number one cylinder was going lean, so he feels like there's a carburetor issue that's not delivering fuel for that one port, for that one cylinder. So he's going to change carbs, and then next year we'll try it again. So, but hey, new best for him. And a buddy of mine, he got $1,000 for running the best bracket closest to his ET dial-in and reaction time. So congratulations to him. But for now, we're going to take this home, and then I think we're going to do some teardowns. So stay tuned for a video on that. If you guys like the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe. Thanks for watching.